Welcome to my review of Funnel, a comprehensive platform designed to help you build, manage, and optimize your sales funnels. If you're a marketer or business owner looking for a tool that can streamline your marketing processes, Funnel may have come up on your radar. But does it live up to the hype? I've spent some time with the platform, and I'm here to share my honest thoughts with you. When you first land on the Funnel website, you're greeted with a sleek, modern interface that promises a user-friendly experience. The platform is designed to help businesses create and manage sales funnels without the need for coding. It's marketed as an all-in-one solution, and for the most part, it delivers on that promise. One of the standout features of Funnel is its drag-and-drop builder. Creating a funnel is simple, and the interface is intuitive. Whether you're looking to build landing pages, set up email campaigns, or integrate your existing tools, Funnel gives you everything you need. It's especially handy for users who don't have a technical background but want to create high-converting sales funnels. However, not everything about Funnel is perfect. While the platform offers a wide range of features, some users may find the learning curve a bit steep at first. There are plenty of tutorials available, but it can still take some time to master all the nuances of the platform. Additionally, while the integration options are solid, there are some third-party tools that are either not supported or have limited functionality. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Another downside is the price. Funnel is definitely on the pricier side, especially for smaller businesses or startups. While it offers a lot of value, it might be a bit overkill for someone just looking to run a basic funnel. If you're just starting, I'd recommend taking a close look at your budget and comparing it to the features you actually need. On the flip side, Funnel's customer support is solid. Their team is responsive, and the knowledge base is robust, which can help you troubleshoot any issues you may run into. They also offer a range of templates that can help you get started quickly, which is great for those who are new to funnel-building.so. Is Funnel worth it? If you're serious about scaling your marketing efforts and you have the budget for it, I'd say it's definitely worth considering. It's a powerful tool that can help you optimize your sales process, but you'll need to be prepared to invest both time and money to get the most out of it. If you're interested in trying it out for yourself, check out the link in the description below for more information. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and make sure to subscribe for more honest reviews of marketing tools and platforms. Thanks for watching.